guys, welcome back. So, short and sweet, keeping it to the point. This is today's topic, and this is not the first time I've heard this, which I did reply back to Kevin. Thank you, sir. Also, you're not the only one I've heard this from. So I kind of want to dispel this myth today, and I want to get right down to the nitty gritty. So, bam. This freaking thing's heavy. Ooh, what I have here. This is the, if I get it to focus, this is the pressure plate out of my 2019 Camaro SS 1LE. The car is being traded. My ZL1 is almost here. So while I'm cleaning out everything, all these parts, I'm just kind of throwing everything out, sorting through what I need, what I don't, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm not. I really wanted to take this thing apart. I really wanted to dispel this myth. I know that I can't remember how much the price is on these things, but it's not cheap. It got me thinking once I read that comment, and I'll be honest, every time that I have replaced a clutch, I'm always focused on the job, and once I get the transmission out on the ground, I've always just kind of been, put part A to part B to part C, and, back together we go. I've never really taken the time to think about what's in here. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know. If I have to take a guess at this, I'm gonna say that there is not another disc in here, but I will say that before we cut this open. So I'm gonna get dressed in something that I'm more okay with getting dirty. I'm go down to the garage. Let's get down to cutting this bad boy open. So here we go. All right, guys. So here we got the pressure plate. As you can see, I think what I'm gonna do, my attack angle is gonna be, got my 4.5-inch grinder here. Just got a regular grinder wheel on it. I think what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to grind off these rivet heads. Kind of go from there and see if we'll be able to get any access to the inside. So, yeah, let's get to it. gosh. Kevin, you're right. Whoa. That is crazy, you guys. That is insane. That is crazy. Oh my God. There it is, you guys. 6.2 SS, the LT1, any LT1, LT4, stock clutch, factory, twin disc. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Get in here and take a look. Let me turn my flashlight on for you guys. Look at that. That is nuts. Holy cow. Holy crap. That is amazing. So all I did was pretty much just grind those down, those rivets. Spin them out of the way. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for today. So I'm gonna go ahead. We got a snowstorm rolling in. So yes, Kevin, thank you again for today's video, but that was a great idea. I did not know. I learned something new. Hope you guys did too. So don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm gonna get inside. You guys take care. See you on the next one. Later.